This is the best day ever. These are my favorite days, and they're all here to spoil and to surprise Miss Nicole with a brand new, redone classroom.
I'm very excited. I can't wait. So we talked a lot about lighting. Lighting to help my students concentrate better. We talked about a calming corner, we talked about calming colors, just making it a welcoming and safe environment for everyone to learn in and make mistakes in, and to create that family that we can have together.
So just to introduce everybody about what this program is, it's Addition Financial, credit unions, Renovate to Educate project. So teachers from all over 4 different counties, Lake, Seminole, Orange, and Osceola, put in essays, just like Nicole, and we got to pick one lucky educator from each of the 4 school districts, and your essay was beautiful. So obviously she was an easy choice. The way that the project works is that we have a lucky teacher from each of the 4 school districts, and then they get interviewed with our partners in this program, which is Seminole State Interior Design. We hired 2 interns from our program, and for this classroom is Kylie. So we're so excited to have Kylie. Kylie then, after you get surprised, which is so fun, Kylie comes and interviews Nicole, and they have a whole about what she needs in her classroom, what her hopes and dreams are, what some of her issues are. I bet you storage, maybe?
Yes.
That's always a common theme. So Kylie gets to have that discussion with her, and that's it. She never sees anything ever again. Like that, she doesn't know anything about what she's gonna see today, which makes it so exciting. So Kylie goes back, with help with Holly, designs a whole new classroom for her. She presents it to Addition Financial, and we put the thumbs up. Then Cassie Roach over there with the amazing signs. She project manages the entire thing. She purchases all the stuff from IKEA and all the other fun places. And then we have 3 days. So you're gonna go into this classroom. We only had 3 days to flip this classroom. We have 1 paint day, then we have a build day, and then we have the staging day. And then your classroom is complete. And we were lucky enough to have Kylie actually come, and the classrooms are actually done with volunteers from our credit union. So from all over, we have branch staff, we have people from the contact center, people from all walks of life within our credit union come and spend the entire day making your classroom happen. So it is a labor of love for us, and we're so excited to do this.
Thank you all for everything you've done. I can't wait for everything, and thank you for everything you've done for my students.
But I wanted to share a quote from her essay. She wrote, "I want my classroom to be safe, welcoming, and calming environments for students of all abilities. My students thrive in an environment where they can make mistakes and be who they are and learn the way that fits best for them." So, are you ready?
I am.
Are you guys ready? What do you think?
I love it, oh my gosh. Mom, look at the 7 dwarfs.
And then we got you a desk for the TA as well.
Yes,
so they have their own little space.
I love that.
And then you have so much school supplies for all of your students, and then a lot for you too.